fun! Emma, you should try it. Come on, sleepyhead. It's the best way to wake up.
Oliver, it's too early. Why are you grinning like that?
I was having the best dream. Fine, you win, but you owe me pancakes. Deal?
Breakfast is ready, sweethearts. Come on down. I made your favorite toast and fresh juice. Hurry before it gets cold.
Okay, family, our big road trip starts here.
It looks like a beautiful drive. Are we going to see mountains and dinosaurs?
We'll see everything. It's going to be an adventure.
Dad, are we going yet?
Almost, buddy. Just one more bag.
But I'm ready now.
Patience, sweetie. We're almost done.
All right, all set.
All right, all set. Oliver, seatbelt on. Emma, ready for school?
Great job. Let's have a wonderful day. Hi there. You look like you're ready for an adventure. I'm Emma. Let's go explore together.
Okay, snacks, toys, clothes, all checked. We're all set for the trip. Thanks for helping pack, honey.
All right, everyone, time for our adventure. Hop in, let's go make some memories.
Wow, look, so many cows. Emma, see that? A red tractor. And horses. They're running so fast. This is the best. Wow, look at all the trees. Are we almost there? It's so pretty. What do you see?
Emma, sweetie, I saved you a little treat for the road. I hope you like it. Here you go.
Emma, I'm so hungry. Can we please get a snack? A cookie or ice cream, please?
Beautiful day for a drive, isn't it? Look at the sunlight through the trees. Perfect family time.
Oh no, a flat tire. Is it completely flat? Be careful out there.
Oliver, look! The tire's totally flat. See how it's all squished down? I wonder how that happened. What's wrong, Oliver? I don't get it. Why?
See the tire? It's completely flat. The sidewall is damaged. A quick patch won't work. We need to call for a tow. We'll wait in the car. It'll be all right. This spare looks a bit worn. Hope it'll hold until the next town.
Okay, I think I've found a route that avoids the construction.
Perfect. The spare is on and we're good to go.
Great! Kids, ready for the scenic detour?
Yes, let's go!
Emma, look! The path is starting. Let's go! I can't wait to see what's down there. This is going to be the best adventure ever. Ready, Oliver? Yes! Let's go!
Emma, let's hold hands for this part.
Okay, Mommy.
This road can be a bit bumpy. There, that's better.
Wow, Emma, this street is amazing. Look at all the pretty flowers. Oh, and the shops too. I know. It's wonderful. Wow, look, the bakery has fresh cookies. And the toy shop has games and stuffed animals. This is the best street ever. Let's go explore.
First things first, everyone. We stick together and watch out for each other.
That's right.
Okay, Dad. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
A lovely day, isn't it?
It certainly is.
What brings you to our street?
We're looking for a good place for lunch.
Welcome to Maplewood. Pine Street is just down that way. It's a beautiful day for a stroll. Thank you so much for your help. It really means a lot to us. Oh, it was nothing at all. Just happy to help. Well, we won't forget it. Thank you again.
Wow, look at all the houses. Be careful, sweetie. I will. It's so cool.
He's having a great time.
Oh, Thomas, look at these flower boxes. They're absolutely stunning. The colors are so vibrant and cheerful. It just makes my heart so happy. I could stand here and admire them all day.
Jim, thanks for seeing us. It's the family car. Of course, Thomas. What's the issue?
It won't start. We think it's the battery.
All right, let's have a look. All right, folks. All fixed and ready to go. Should run like a dream now. Any questions, just let me know.
Right on schedule. She's purring like a kitten.
Thanks again, Jim. You're a lifesaver. All right, family. Ready to hit the road?
Emma, look! The bakery! Can we go? Please? I'm so hungry. My tummy needs a treat.
Welcome! Fresh apple pie just for you. Look at that steam, it's still warm. Go on, have a taste. It's our family recipe.
Wow, that apple pie looks so yummy.
It does, doesn't it?
Can we get it, Mom, please? This apple pie is amazing. The crust is so flaky and the apples are sweet.
Emma, I have a funny secret about this pie.
What is it, Mom? It has a secret ingredient for extra smiles.
That's my girl.
Emma, elbows off the table, please. I know it's tempting, but we must be polite.
That's my good girl.
This pie is the best. I'm not even sorry.
Oh, Oliver, you're a handful.
Oliver's face is all messy. Let him enjoy it, dear. Wow, look at all the ducks. Careful, Oliver. Look, Oliver, the ducks are so cute. Can we feed them? I bet they're hungry. Let's get some bread. Come on, it'll be fun.
All right, who wants some crackers?
Here you go, little duck. Wow, you're hungry. There's more. Oliver, look, a duck is right by you. Wow, he's so cute. Hi, duck. He likes you. Let's watch him. Yeah, this is the best. I know, right? Okay, Oliver, big smiles. Anna's taking our picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. You look so cute, Oliver.
Okay, everyone, big smiles. 1, 2, 3. Perfect! You all look so happy.
Anna, let me see. Wow, it's so cool. Can we take another one?
Look, Oliver, a baby deer. Isn't it adorable? We'll see one soon.
Look, everyone, the old clock tower. It's been here for over 100 years.
Wow, it's huge. Cool. Of course, let's go. Wow, it's so tall. It is. I wonder what time it is.
It's such a beautiful day.
It is. I love these moments. Okay, everyone, all set. Ready to head out?
Yes, let's go.
Great. I was worried for a second there.
Yay, I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
I don't want to leave the park.
Me neither. I wanted to see the ducks.
I know, sweetie. We'll come back soon.
That's right. How about ice cream on the way home?
Mom, Dad, can we please stay a little longer? Yeah, just a bit more. Please, we promise to be good.
What a lovely day for a walk. I'm so glad we're all together. Let's make some memories.
Thanks, Jim. The car looks great. Happy to help. She's good as new. Let's go, everyone. There we go. All set. You folks take care now.
Thank you all for everything. I feel so blessed to have this family. Your support means the world to me.
Wow, Jim's garage. It's so cool. Look at all the tools in there.
That's the spirit, Oliver. And look at that beautiful town over there.
Are we almost back? I can't wait to see the cabin again. I hope we can play by the lake before dinner.
Look at these mountains, everyone. Aren't they magnificent? Standing here with you all makes it even more special. This view is just incredible.
Wow, it's so big. Look how it goes all the way up. It makes me feel so small. This is the best.
Today was the best. First, the bear at the lake. Second, the amazing sunset. And third, being here with you all.
I love these moments with all of you. The sunset is so beautiful, just like our family.
Hi, everyone. Look at this sunset. We're having the best time. Wave with me. It's beautiful here.